Hey guys, my name is Anchal Vik and I'm here to give you some angel guidance today. But what we are going to do is keep something specific in our mind, and I'm going to try and see I try and make this like a yes or no reading. So if you have been confused about something a lot and you just need a very clear yes or no answer, then this is the reading for you. If you are not ready to receive that sort of answer, then I would suggest that you don't keep watching ahead, because I'm going to try and make it very clear and very honest. So if you are going to participate in the reading, all you need to do is either choose the number 1 or this crystal, or choose the number 2 or this crystal. So after you have made your choice, I'm going to begin your reading now. So for those who have chosen the number 1, I am getting a no to this question. I don't know how this makes sense to you, but if you have asked about a particular opportunity, job opportunity, or a particular place that you're thinking to work, then I'm getting no, that you should not go ahead with this choice. If you have asked about a person, I don't know how to exactly translate this. This could have two meanings. Either this could mean that no, this person is not meant for you, or this relationship is not meant for you, or this could just simply be that you need to say no to this person more, or you need to put a little bit of boundaries when it comes to this situation in your life. You need to take a stand for yourself. This could honestly even mean no could just mean that you need to be more firmer when it comes to certain choices in your life. You need to learn to say no when things aren't working out for you, or when you feel that no, this is not how I'm supposed to be treated. It could be regarding your family members, your friends, any person that's making you feel disturbed or is pushing your boundaries a little bit. Then you need to take a firm stand against this. So no. And the last meaning that I'm sensing, that no, this worst case scenario is not going to happen. This thing, that this heaviness that you have, no, it's not going to stay with you for longer. Things are going to start shifting soon. So you just need to keep having faith, and maybe you need to learn to say no to certain things so that you can finally say yes to things that are meant for you. So this was your reading, and I hope that you could relate to it. Now moving on to number 2, I am getting big happy changes over here. So this card is making me feel that very soon happy changes are coming in your career or your love life, and that things are going to start shifting soon. And I don't know why, I also feel that for people who have asked about marriage or commitment, then I'm getting that yes, this is going to happen. Big changes are coming for you. Maybe you are going to finally get that proposal you have been waiting for, or things are going to get more serious in your love life, and overall just a very happy energy. Things to celebrate are going to be coming for you. And for a few people, I'm also feeling this message of self-love, that you are going to tap into more self-love and healing energies. You can see like a yellow light, golden light over here, and the girl in the picture is just so happy and vibrant. So this is just making me feel that you are going to tap into a lot of positive energy for yourself, and I'm just feeling a very good energy from this card and from this message. And if you have asked about a yes or no, then yes, this is meant for you, or yes, things are going to start shifting soon for you. So I hope that you guys could relate to these messages. Thank you so much for watching.